Good, 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 good. Nice. That is it. Full of talent, boss. Alright. Leverage. Welcome back, guys, to Leverage Boss TV. You don't know, say your boy Eclips, aka Leverage Boss. And please do remember, I'm gonna go in there something because I hear breeze. Please do remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. See that free, you know? Subscribe. You don't know, so today we're there by Fort Lauderdale Beach. So we just take a stroll, a quick little walk, and show you what Fort Lauderdale Beach look like. People who don't know what it look like, you know, a quick little stuff. You don't know, so we have more facilities in the future. We just have vlog, just have a quick little stuff. So right now, we just park. And right now we're there. Excuse the wind, it's windy. Yeah, we just park at the garage right there, so. Yeah, and that's the marine bay thing. So yeah. We are walking down the beach right now. We're there. I don't even sure what that street you call. A beer wind. The wind's supposed to mash up on the head out there. You know, on the device I must say. But yeah. Right now, they're by the beach. I say, I don't know. So probably with a try find. So I probably try find something to eat or so, but I don't think that happen because I have other things planned, you see me? But for the vlog where I just show you by the beach and probably just walk and make a stroll. So right now we're there at Curtis Street and SR A1A. Yeah, so we're there by the beach and we're gonna walk down the road. Just stretch. Yeah. Probably I'll go circle back. We are walk down the beach down here, so. See the beach over there, so. Yeah man, that's a leverage, so we are walk down there, so. And yeah. You know, the weather kinda chilly. Well, we are island people, so you don't know anything, we are call everything chilly, but the word for up a little jacket, but yeah, right now by the strip with them man. I see people them over there so by the beach. Probably just walk over there. Excuse. Music. Cut out, but they don't know. We walk by a strip. Probably I do a crossing over there, so, but yeah. Yeah. One big old ship out there, so yeah, this is how it look like. And it's in the people. Yeah, so we just a walk and a show the people them where it's about. That's a leverage, man. You know, I say I play music, right? So I'm not ever want to really walk and stuff, but you know, I play music and stuff, so I just do a quick little walk and show you what I go on the strip. Right now we have surf style. Yeah. We have a coffee here and stuff. Yeah. Music, probably mute right just because of music. Leverage Nation, so you don't know. Beach active. Isn't it? Yeah man, beach active, so you don't know anything go. Just a walk and a stroll. Maybe just go some banks. And walk up. Too much music, people. At the level right now over the beach side. See big old ship down there, so our life girl on deck. Yeah man. Right now it's late. Yeah, afternoon hours, but yeah man. Bad. Let's see if I can walk. Open my shoes full of sun, but we're gonna walk. We're gonna walk and walk on the sun and go up. Because I try to avoid the music, you know. But we just try to walk on the beach and show, you know, what go on. This is just a quick vlog. Hopefully you can get when the eye capture on something, you know. But yeah, it's kinda not really beach hours right now, cause I don't know. In a day after what? After 5 times, so you know if I get down to that time. Yeah, so check this. Yeah, look on the beach. People are left their shoes and things. Yeah man, beach nice. People still up on the beach though, you know. Yeah man. See all from the view from over here, so. Yeah. Fort Lauderdale on the building them. Big building. Them things you see on TV, you know. People there Fort Lauderdale different from Miami. Yeah, them building here just recently finished built a couple years ago. Yeah, see rock bar there with the dust pass a while ago, we walk back up. You know. Yeah, people still in the water. It's not bad. It's not bad, you know, comparing to other states, New York and them places there. Well cold right now. You know, we just broke bad anything we call cold from it reach anything past 70. Or even reach just about 70 we say how it's cold, you know. So anything from 60 odd. Let me see what the temperature. Does it show? Does it show? I'm gonna go on my phone. You see? Matter of fact, it just says 71 degrees right now. I have a little, and worse to the by the beach, I have a little. Something you might need a little jacket for. But yeah. People are by the beach. Yeah. Over there, so people consume them food and all them stuff there. People that are chilling and enjoying the thing, you know. Yeah man. People that mind them own business. I say, come on. That's the one thing with America, you know. People just mind them own business, you know, and not care what nobody want to do, you know. Yeah, and I like Jamaica, everybody know them neighbor. America, you all live in one place for years and not even know your neighbor. Everybody at work. Yeah, man. Body at work and I mind them business, you know. But yeah, man, like days like this, man, people just come out and enjoy the beach. And don't be surprised, mostly these are just visitors. Don't be surprised. But yeah, man, we'll take a stroll. Take a stroll back on this side. Yeah, it was over that side over there. It was over that side now. Yeah, man, walk with me, people. Walk with the leverage boss, you know? That's a leverage. You see me? Leverage, leverage, leverage. That, man. There's some nice little eye candy over there, so I walk. Yeah. Building over there, so. Wow. I wonder if I can catch them. So mean and stuff. Yeah, man, we just a walk. That's a leverage, man. Yeah, so Leverage Nation, this is the area that we came from. And this thing you have a whole heap of food place. You have Taco Bell, you have surf shop, you have Hooters, you have the Crocs place, yeah, Con Murphy, Lulu's, yes people, Lulu's. People go there often to go have drinks, you know. Yeah, see your man there, girl. Bless up yourself. Good, 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 good. Nice. That is it. Full of talent, boss. Alright. That is it. Alright, continue. Bless up yourself.
The bill's in the mail.
Alright, same to you. Yeah, man, you see. Man, I play. Yeah, man, I don't know. I saw them do on this liquor strip, you know. So them hustling, you know. You don't know, everybody I look it all over, you know. Yeah, man, that is it, Leverage Nation. Yeah, so this big is a big garage and a building, a whole heap of building over there, so, you know. Probably, yeah, the front people up there, so you have, well, 1, 2, at least 3-story. At least 3-story building, you know. You have over there. Yeah. That is it. That is it, Leverage Nation. I don't know anything. That is it. Yeah, man. See, over the beach the same way. Yeah, so I just did the right thing, man. Walk down the strip. Shit them out there, so them always out there. I don't know if they can see it, Leverage Nation. You have to shit them right out there, so walk, but yeah, it's a long strip and always go down, you know. All the way down, but no. Yeah, no. People just come out and maybe come up dinner or so, you know. So that is it, man. That is it. Yeah. A quick little circle, man. So them all still them make up some new building over there, so. See them have the crane them. Yeah, new things them make up, so that is Fort Lauderdale Beach. Yeah, man. Kinda reach out here, so kinda late to make the people them, real people them come out and thing. And cause the weather still, because this morning, you know, I want to tell you, say this morning them actually say Fort Lauderdale they wash out and a be a rain for the weekend. And be that and wake up, no rain in the fall. Maybe rain that fall in the morning or so, but afterwards, sunshine, man. So that probably trick the people them, you know. That probably trick the people them, man, but yeah. Wave on that. Wave on it. Go across, you know? Make a quick walk past. Yeah, man. Just leverage nation, man. Nice little walk, you know? So we need more time, you know? Me, myself, and I. Until Jenna them say, oh, they want to make a par, but mostly I just me one par, you know. When I really keep friends, you see me? They really want them to know themselves, you know. That a leverage. Yeah, man. That a leverage, man. Take a look, see him up on the street. Oh yeah, wow. And that's a circle, you know? Circle. Oh, reach over that side, okay, and show you know. Maybe mute out some part of the music, okay, and show you what inner so I go on for the people that want know what foreign look like. Fort Lauderdale. Yeah, man. The fruit stall, coconut and everything. Yeah, man. People then can see what it look like, man. That, man. I have a little food court in here, so you have Subway up there, so yeah, take a quick little walk up there, so show now how I go on. Here's the origination. See where I go. Yeah, liquor store right there, so. Yes. Man have a second store Hooters up there, so can't manage up them there. Nice right now, but this are Lolo's basically. Yeah. Wonder what that now people may see it here, you know. Yeah. Make a quick walk back. Right at the front, you know. Yeah, man, leverage. That, man. Reach back up high front. We just never go up on the third, but I get an idea. There's a quick little walk for sure now. I go on Fort Lauderdale. This is what Fort Lauderdale Beach, the strip look like, at least some part. Hopefully in future reference we can show you. I'm mad because we have different days where we come out here and show on the beach, you know, and show how we really are going, you know. All the spring break, them mad action. Yeah man, just look out for leverage boss, man. Look out for leverage boss. Leverage boss have them thing the lock phone, you see me? Yeah. So the people them a come down, the kids them read Taco Bell again. So, yeah. You know, the thing go already. We have the people them over there, so the beach over there.
Let me think, now we talking about like...
Yeah, over there. Oh, no one said. Can't cross though. Oh yeah. Beach kinda late now, but yeah man, that is it. That is it, man. Oh, people I'm stopping about. Remember, it's just a quick walk and showing what it's like. Wait, certain part, a small portion, because you know you have the other side and walk way down, but basically only get the drift. People remember, do remember for like, comment, share, subscribe. You don't know say the boy Leverage Boss. You see me? Leverage Boss TV. So wanna get the drift, man. That. You know the thing. So all who never see all some white people before, see them there. Yeah man. Right now people we are just cause of bumps. I walk back to the car. I say me that get some food and show you where some of my food them, but maybe that is for our next vlog, one of them there, but we have some things to sort out and things so This is just a walk, you see me? Just a walk, a quick little walk by the strip. So, you know what thing go. That's a leverage, man. Ah, the leverage, yeah, my dog got the leverage. Alright. See it from the intro already, you know what thing go. Yeah, man. That's a leverage, man. Back over the garage and never see how them garage set up, you know. Hello. See how the garage set up, you know, so yeah, a quick liquor. Hello, looking nice. I'm gonna take me with you.
I need to find my location.
Oh yeah, where you going?
Crystal Ballroom.
Crystal Ballroom.
Somewhere.
I don't remember where it's there.
Maybe somewhere down.
Oh, maybe in one of them things. Maybe in one of them buildings you want to go around.
Yes,
I make the right.
I think it's around there.
Yeah.
Where my GPS is.
Alright, so you find. Have a good day here. Yeah, man, I see. We go up on a Jamaica and where she go? Trouble hard. Yeah, man. Right now, they're back in the garage, right? Back to the car, you know, and left back out because we have some quick things to sort out, you know. So people like me say, remember, if you do the right thing and like, comment, share and subscribe, you know, and share to a friend too, you know. You don't know, road to 1,000 subs. Because I don't know, say sub them a look a little bit right now. We don't know how grow, we are grow. Everybody have to start from somewhere. So we are doing own a thing and we are grow this thing and start a nation. You see me? So that's a leverage nation. So big up on yourself. Hello. So big up on yourself. And remember, come back. We're in the garage right now. Alright? So bless up.